Feels ordered by the Holy One, so I call you my Lord.
You guys are playing, okay? I know you want a good curly wig for the summertime because you are gonna go on vacation and you're gonna be in the water. And this is the wig, okay? It's finger coil as well. This one is 20 inches at 7x5. But if you want to know a little bit more, keep on watching because this lace, you need to know about it. Look at that. Keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is Klaiyihair. We're gonna see what type of wig we're working with today. I'm excited, of course. Why not? You always get a bag to keep your wigs in, and the wig is secure in a box. So let's go in. Okay, we have the wig cap, edge band, a bag to store your wig, a silk bag where you could store your wig after you install it if you want to keep it, and of course the wig. Now this is a 20-inch Brazilian hair, and I think it's a 7x5 by knots lace wig, which means it's pre-everything, so completely glueless if that's your choice. Oh, it is finger coil, my absolute favorite. I am gonna be loving this, okay? I am gonna be loving this. Are you guys seeing these finger coil? I know you are, because look at this. Yes, 20 inches, favorite. Now it's a 7x5, and of course you're gonna have the drawstring, which means it fits any head size. So you buy this wig if you're a small, medium, or large. Yes, it's gonna fit you. All you have to do is pull the string, pull this down. There's another piece that you're gonna pull down to secure so it doesn't move, and then you're gonna tuck this underneath. Once that's done, you should have something looking like this. Now let's get into this lace because it is HD. You see that? You're not seeing anything, but let me put this back on. Take a peek how beautiful that lace is. Yes, we are going to install this wig. It's going to be super easy and beginner friendly. Remember, it's a curly wig. Once you do have a curly wig, the finger coil, all you have to do is install it. Yes, so let's get into that. Now, if you're new, welcome. If you're not, then you already know. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's hype this video up, and remember, all the details will be in the description, but I'll tell you more further on. Let's go. Are you kidding me? Nah. Stop. Where did you guys get this lace? OMG. Stop. Are you kidding me right now? Are you guys seeing this? You know, I done found me another good wig, okay? And I'll be wearing it. I already have the style in mind, but anyway, this is how this look. I don't even need to take it off. Let's just do the drawstring part, because what? Now make sure the wig is secure. All you have to do is pull it down like I showed you before. Pull the other piece down so it's secure, and tuck underneath. Now you should have something looking like this. Perfect. This wig don't even need anything, just taps. Wow. All right guys, all right, I'm gonna finesse this. I'll be back. Excited.
So if all I got left is this quiet trust, I'll give it to you. So I'm still holding on with a soft but steady song.
All right guys, So I'm trying to do like a semi-bang because I use finger coil already and I wanted to change it up a little bit. Even though this is a perfect lace, I don't need to be hiding the lace, okay? But I just cut the front area. Now you guys are gonna watch while I reactivate the curls, make it a little bit more fluffy, and then we're gonna put back the finger coils in it. So keep on watching. I'm using water and some Lotta body, but yeah, I am also gonna go in with my silk therapy just a little bit to rub through the hair before I go in. I like to do it either before or when the hair is completely dry. But one thing that I want to do is I want to wear this wig for a couple of hours and then I give you guys the review after, which means once I'm done I will be heading on the road and running some errands, and then I'll come back and give you guys the real result of how it's gonna look once everything is done. So keep on watching. I'm gonna do side by side. So I like to put the mousse in the entire wig first. Now you don't have to do this, you can wear it as is because the finger coil is already there, but I will reactivate those finger coils. You can create these yourself as well. So yeah, and what I love is that they already come with it, so for a person who don't want the hassle, it's gonna be super easy for you. After which you're gonna spray water, get you a good spray bottle, spray the water and go in. So just keep on watching. Very simple. Alright guys, I am done with one side. That was really simple, really easy. We're gonna go into this side and I'm gonna do the same thing. Add the mousse, water, comb it out, and then do the finger coil again. Alright guys, the wig is completely done and I did over the finger coil, so we're gonna wait for this to dry. It's a little bit longer, so you're seeing the actual 20 inches. You already know that once you have a curly wig and you stretch it to get the length basically, okay? I am in love with this wig, one of my favorites so far. I cannot wait to see how it looks when it's dried down, but I'm gonna run some errands. I'm gonna just let this form for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna head out the house. I'm gonna come back a few hours later. Once it's dry, we're gonna finish and we're gonna talk about how it hold up, okay? So this is it. It was very easy. I love it. Stick around, we'll soon come. Hold on, you see that? Are you seeing the lace? There is no lace. Okay, and we trying to form the front because I wanted it to come down a bit. All right.
Yeah. This ain't bitterness. It's truth. Bitch. They lie on your name when you don't comply. Smile in your face, whole time they disguise. If you don't move how they want you to move, suddenly love turn conditional too. They call it order, but it really control fear. Dressed up like concern for you.
How am I looking? Oh my god, I love the front area that I did. Did I tell you this was like 6 hours later because I went to track practice with the girls and I ran some errands as well afterwards. It is actually 11:38 right now and the wig is given. So it is super soft for a curly wig. I am going out of town this weekend and she is coming. I'm definitely gonna wear this wig because I really like it. We can even go in. What I like is you can go in and fluff it out. So if you like it to be a little bit more bigger, you can do that. If you want it to stay if you don't want it that poofy, you can leave it. And I just love it. The curls are not going anywhere even with me running my hands through. Yeah, I like this. Did I say? It's very much glueless, okay? Kahili, you did this one. I love it. So this is how it looks. The curls are super soft. They feel good, they look nice, and even though it came as a middle part, you can definitely wear this as a side part. I will be taking this wig off. Look, she is coming off, and I'm gonna put her down like this, and tomorrow all I have to do is put it back on. I don't know, this lace is perfect. Like, there are times when I get the perfect lace and I didn't do anything to this. So all you have to do, put it on. Y'all see that, right? Oh yeah. So this is the one, and I love that. I did the drawstring, so it fits my head to the perfect side. All you have to do is fix it however you want it. But this is it. Klaiyihair, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I love the finger coil look to the ends because it's leveled. But this is nice, and you guys saw that I raised her at the front area. You could bring it in your face a little bit more if you want. I just didn't want that. You see? I didn't want to cut it too short because I know I'm going to keep this wig for a minute, and I did not want it to be too short. So this is how it looks. Yes! Thank you, Klaiyihair, for sponsoring this video. The link will be in the description, guys. All the links will be there. Everything will be there. Yes, it will. So you can grab this wig, and there will be a discount, so you will save some money. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.